Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Concept Travel. Today I will be explaining about how to create additional datum planes depending upon our sketch requirement. So we have a datum coordinate system here. You can see here there is a datum coordinate system in this model. So all part file will have this datum coordinate system, but some sketch we cannot create exactly on the datum coordinate system because we have three planes there. We need additional planes where we need to create a sketch specifically in different locations. For that, we need to create a specific datum plane from using the reference of datum coordinate system. So for that, I'm going to create some additional planes as per new sketch. Okay. So go to the left side, you have datum plane. Go to this option here. So here, using many options, we can create datum. So using distance. So I'm going to select some face, reference face. Selecting this face, it will ask what is the distance you want to create a plane. You can see. So maybe I can give 55 here. Maybe you can use this arrow to drag it, or maybe you can give the value here. Okay. So I'm going to take this plane here. Okay, 92. So like this, we can create a plane here. So and some more options. Go to the datum plane again. Go here. So the distance we have at an angle. Okay. So for that you need to select a planar object first. So I'm going to select this is the planar object. Then through axis or any linear object. So I'm going to use this edge. Okay. So it means using this face, whatever I selected as a planar face, and using this edge as axis, it can rotate the for angular plane. So you can use this. There is a small sphere like, so you can drag this where the plane can be. So this line edge can be acted as a pivot point. Okay, so you can move here, or you can give the value here. Either if you want to give 25, it will come here. Okay, depending upon that you can create a sketch. Press OK. So like this you can create an angular plane where you can create a sketch in this. And some more planes. Go to datum plane here and go to this option again, and you can give two lines. Okay, so I'm going to use first line here and second line here, this edge as a edge. So using the two lines you can create a datum planes. So like this we can create many planes, and some more options I will explain here. And go to the datum planes, datum plane option, go here, and again we'll go here. So using point and direction, I'm going to select here point and direction. So selecting this plane through specific point. For example, I am going to select one particular point here. Okay, maybe this point I will select here, midpoint. Okay, so use in this point, normal to the point, you can create a plane. Suppose I'm apply here, I'm going to select one more point here. For example, instead of the point, I'm going to select maybe end point. Selecting this end point, I'll be selecting. So if you have any curvicle option, that also we can create. For example, see, I'm going to create quadrant point here. See, this is the quadrant point. I'm going to select here. So in this point here, vector, I can create any reference plane. Okay, maybe we'll check some more options here. Bisector, first plane and second plane. Okay, so I will select this face and this face. So bisecting this, okay, diagonal to these two 90-degree faces, a plane will come. This is called bisector. So now we have seen how to create a planes using available 3D body and datum coordinate system. So we have seen using a distance and using a face and an edge by angular we can create a plane, and after that using two edges I selected the plane. And also not only from the face, if you have only datum coordinate system, so go to this option distance, you can select the datum coordinate system also. So here it's a datum coordinate system we have here, right? Here. So I'm selecting this bottom plane. So for using that reference also, you can create a plane. You can see. Using the datum coordinate system also, you can create a plane using a distance. Okay. So like this, we can create multiple planes. I mean additional planes apart from datum coordinate system, so that you can create a sketch on this. For example, I created this plane. Go to the sketch and select this plane, and press OK. So here you can create a sketch. For example, I created one sketch environment. Just I create a rectangle here on this plane, then finish. So you can see what are the plane I created newly, there I created a sketch. So like this you can create additional sketches by creating a new planes. Okay, hope it's useful for you too. Any doubts, please share your comments. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel so that I can put more videos related to this CAD. Thank you.